Are you ready to discover why 5 years of experience is now worth less than 6 months of learning? In fast-changing industries, the need for up-to-date skills is crucial. Companies value the speed at which you can learn and adapt. Gen Z individuals thrive in this environment due to their quick learning abilities. Gone are the days when years of experience were the only measure of success. Now, employers are looking for individuals who can keep up with the rapidly evolving landscape. Embracing continuous learning is the key to staying relevant in today's job market. Technology advancements and market trends shift at a rapid pace. Those who can learn quickly have a competitive edge. The ability to learn new skills in a short period of time is highly valued. It's not about how long you've been in the industry, but how quickly you can pick up new concepts. Online courses and self-study options have made learning more accessible than ever. Investing in your own education and growth is essential. Traditional education paths are no longer the only option. Employers are looking for practical skills and relevant knowledge. The focus has shifted from quantity of experience to quality of skills. Continuous learners are more adaptable and versatile in their roles. Fast learners stand out in a sea of candidates with similar backgrounds. Mastering new technologies and methodologies can set you apart in your career. The ability to learn and apply new information quickly is a valuable asset. Companies want employees who can hit the ground running and contribute immediately. Adaptability and willingness to learn are highly sought after traits. Gen Z's ability to navigate technology gives them a competitive advantage. Embracing a culture of continuous learning can lead to greater career opportunities. Stay ahead of the curve by constantly improving your skills and knowledge. The skills you learn today may be outdated tomorrow, so stay agile. Taking initiative to learn new things shows your commitment to personal growth. Technology has democratized access to knowledge, empowering self-driven learners. In a fast-paced world, those who can quickly learn and innovate will succeed. Stay curious and open to new information to thrive in a changing environment. The future belongs to those who are eager to learn and adapt. Are you ready to embrace the power of continuous learning in your career? Like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos on successful living.